this is the way this application works. You want to add more images over here, you can simply do it like this. Okay, so I've added this image into that folder from which the application is picking up these text images. Now I'm going to give it a refresh, and here you can see the image which I have just added. So I can now try it. Right. So this is the complete application. This is how it works. So this is the way a user can use it. He can check how he is looking in different types of specs present here, and then he can select the best one for him. Now let's come here in the coding section. So it's a Flask application. Okay, in the backend we've used Python. There are two folders, one with name spectacles, in which we have the images of all the specs. The other is with name static, in which we have the CSS code present, and there is one more with name templates, in which we have the HTML code present. Okay, so it's a very simple code. When you will go through it, you'll be able to understand it very easily. Now comes the main thing, which is app.py. So this is the Python code that we are going to check out in this. So this is the Python code with the help of which we have created this application. So there is this spectacles named file folder from where the application is picking up the files. Okay, then we have used this library called media pipe, which is for creating face meshes. Right. So with the help of this, we are putting different points on the face which comes in front of the camera, and then we are identifying the exact location of eyes. Right. Overlay transparent, it is for pasting the image which the user has selected on top of the frames which the camera is generating. Generate frames, this is a function with the help of which the application is generating the video frames which has the face of the user and also the spec image which the user has selected. Right. So if you see here, image from array convert RGBA, right, and then we're using face landmarks to identify the exact location of the eyes, right, left face, right face, nose. So these are the points that we have given manually, right. We have passed the values of manually so that the application can identify the correct location of the eyes and then put the images on top of the eyes, right. Then we have this select. So this is helping us in selecting the images, and we have this video which is for which is actually bringing the video of the user on the devices window, right. Then we have this spectacles filing. So this is basically for the file which the user has selected. For selecting that file, this route has been used. Okay, so this is a complete application. It's a very, very simple application, right. So you can just check the code here, and you can also create one for yourself. Yes, there are many things that can be done in this application. We can give it a very, very good look. We can also add more features to this application. That is something which I would like to leave on you, right. Whatever features, whatever things you think are still missing in this application, please go on, add them. Or else you can also do one thing. You can put you can give the feedback to me in the comment section below about this application. Let me see if I can add those features to this application to make it more appealing. That is it from my side in this lecture. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day.